So it's like inside this document, this note, this Federal Reserve note, this debt note, is stored things that you can exchange, right? So I'll say, hey, I need some food. I hand you this and you give me food. It's just a means of exchange, or a method of exchange. That's all money really is. And the more money you acquire, the more things you can exchange, right? I think what people get wrong about money is they try to hoard money, and really what you have to do is you got to get rid of this shit. You know, you don't want to have money. You know, you want to have something called capital goods, right? And capital goods are like this microphone, like this studio setup, right?
Oh, thank you, man.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Thank you, bro.
That's how you want to spend your money. Because when you spend your money on things like this, well, you probably already made your money back for this microphone.
Yeah.
And it's going to make you $1 million, right?